Hello everyone, I'm Oriel and we are here at DragCon LA and we are joined by our Filipino winner, Drag Race Season 1 Philippines, Precious Paula Nicole.
Hello po, mabuhay! Woo!
Hi Precious, I just wanted to ask you, why pride is important?
Okay, for me, pride is my favorite every morning. I love fried egg, fried rice, fried chicken, fried hot dog. So it's really important. No, seriously. Pride for me, every day kasi sa akin, pride, my drag is my pride. Every day ako nagpa-perform, every performance I make, that's my pride because I want to be an inspiration and a voice for those kids, gay kids na still, confused or may pinagdadaanan or not really sure of ano ba nangyayari sa buhay nila. Like, I'm here to for them to know that they're not alone, na may kapareho silang tao like me, and na hindi nila kailangang matakot kasi hindi sila mali. Just like the Serena, di ba? Parang that Serena song, ang sabi nila parang kahit ano pang sabihin nila, bandera mo hindi tutumba kasi lahat tayo, we're different but we're not wrong. Lahat tayo ginawa ni God para mabuhay, and kami, we're here to guide them, na for them not to be scared, and for them to realize na okay lang maging bakla kasi lahat tayo ay ginawa para maging tao at mabuhay. That's all. Ang haba ng sagot ko.
It's so good. Thank you so
thank
much.
you.